Ever stood at check-in watching someone slap a $75 fee sticker on your bag while the traveler next to you breezes through with just a carry-on? Airlines made $5.3 billion last year from baggage fees, money they're counting on you to pay. But what if I told you there's an insider playbook that frequent flyers use to beat this system? Today, I'm revealing 8 packing secrets airlines don't want you to know, including my #1 hack that transformed how I travel forever. This one tip alone has saved me hundreds, and I promise it'll be worth staying until the end to discover it. Number 8. Weigh before you go. Have you ever felt that stomach-dropping moment when the airline agent says your bag is overweight and points to the $100 fee? Airlines collected over $5.3 billion in baggage fees last year, money coming straight from unprepared travelers like you. Here's what the pros do. Invest in a portable luggage scale. These tiny digital lifesavers weigh under 5 ounces, cost around $12, and are accurate within 0.1 pounds. Pack it in your luggage and use it again for your return trip. While Southwest allows 50 pounds for checked bags, budget carriers like Spirit limit carry-ons to just 22 pounds on international routes. A Consumer Reports study found 1 in 6 travelers paid overweight fees in 2023. By weighing your bag at home, you'll make adjustments in private rather than at the check-in counter with a line of impatient travelers watching. Pro tip: flight attendants recommend leaving about 2 to 3 pounds of buffer space below the weight limit. Former Delta Gate agent Terry Williams reveals, airlines calibrate their scales weekly, and they never give the benefit of the doubt. If you're 50.1 pounds, you're paying that fee. But what if you already pack smart and still need more space? That's where our next secret comes in. Number 7. Wear your heaviest items. Did you know your winter boots could eat up 15% of your entire luggage weight allowance? According to Cornell University research, hiking boots weigh about 2.5 pounds, and winter boots reach 3.5 pounds. That's a precious weight you could use for other essentials. Create what travel experts call a plain outfit strategy. This means wearing, not packing, your bulkiest jacket, heaviest shoes, and layering clothes. A pair of Timberlands worn instead of pack saves 3 pounds. A typical winter coat adds 2 to 4 pounds, and a heavy sweater adds another pound. That's up to 8 pounds saved just by dressing strategically. Travel journalist Rick Steves confirms what you wear on your body is completely free from weight restrictions. No major airline weighs passengers or their worn clothing. They're only concerned with your bags. Once on board, remove layers and tuck them in the overhead bin. Flight attendant Sarah Johnson reveals, many passengers don't realize they can use the free airplane blanket to cover bulky items placed at their feet during takeoff and landing. Another clever hack: wear a jacket with lots of pockets for small, heavy items like chargers and tech. Speaking of shoes, you won't believe the clever trick that frequent flyers use to maximize every inch of space. Number 6. Stuff your shoes. Those empty shoes in your luggage are wasted space that could fit an entire day's worth of clothes. According to packing expert Ann McAlpin, the average pair of adult shoes can hold 3 to 5 pairs of socks, several pairs of underwear, or even small electronics. Space you're leaving empty while struggling to close your suitcase. Here's what to do. Roll up your socks, underwear, charging cables, and other small items, then stuff them inside your shoes. A standard pair of men's sneakers can hold 4 pairs of socks, while women's flats might hold 2 to 3 pairs of underwear. Rick Steves recommends putting small items in Ziploc bags first to keep everything clean. Even dress shoes can hold jewelry in protective cases or electronic accessories. The space inside shoes would otherwise be completely wasted. It's like finding extra packing space you didn't know you had. Plus, stuffing helps shoes keep their shape during travel. Delta flight attendant Jessica Taylor explains, after 15 years of living out of a suitcase, wasted space is the enemy of efficient packing. You'll feel like you've discovered a secret extra compartment while others struggle to make everything fit. Now, let's talk about something most travelers get completely wrong, and it's costing them precious luggage space. Number 5. Compression bags are your friend. Ever tried sitting on your suitcase to force it closed? According to Consumer Reports, the average traveler uses only 70% of their suitcase space effectively, meaning you're losing nearly a third of your packing potential without compression techniques. Get yourself travel compression bags, not the vacuum kind, just the simple zip-up ones that push air out manually. These magical pouches shrink clothes to about half their normal size. A standard set costs around $15 to $20 and can compress a week's worth of clothes to the size of just 2 folded sweaters. Travel expert Samantha Brown recommends organizing by outfit types. One bag for tops, another for bottoms. Clothing naturally traps air between fibers and folds, which takes up valuable space. Compression bags physically squeeze this air out, allowing you to fit nearly twice as many clothes in the same space. Luggage designer Peter Greenberg notes, "The biggest packing mistake is thinking volume equals weight. You can compress volume without affecting weight at all. You'll feel incredibly satisfied watching a mountain of clothes shrink down while other travelers struggle with overflowing bags. But what if you absolutely need to bring more than fits in a carry-on? Our next insider secret is a game changer. If you're enjoying these tips, we'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It means the world to us, and it helps you stay in the loop on all the travel tricks airlines hope you never discover. One click, and you're all set for smoother, smarter adventures ahead. Number 4. Use a personal item strategically. Did you realize that free personal items could actually double your carry-on capacity if you choose the right bag? According to Upgraded Points, 67% of travelers bring personal items significantly smaller than airlines actually permit, leaving free luggage space on the table. Choose a large structured tote bag, laptop bag, or backpack with multiple compartments instead of a small purse. Most airlines define a personal item as anything that fits under the seat, roughly 18 inches by 14 inches by 8 inches of space. Travel expert Emily McNutt recommends bags like the Longchamp Le Pliage or Calpac Camden, which look stylish but maximize every allowed inch. Former United Gate agent Marcus Thompson reveals, "We almost never measure personal items unless they're obviously oversized. Most travelers could bring bags twice as large as they do. A common mistake is choosing a floppy, unstructured bag that collapses. Instead, pick a bag with a firm bottom and multiple compartments to maximize organization and usable space. When overhead bins fill up on crowded flights, you'll relax knowing your essentials are safely under your control while others scramble." Now, for a clever trick, most travelers never consider that could save you serious money. Number 3. Ship heavy items ahead. Have you ever paid $50 for a checked bag only to realize you could have shipped those items for half the price? According to USPS studies, shipping a medium flat rate box weighing up to 20 pounds costs around $15 to $20 nationwide, potentially saving you $30 plus compared to checked bag fees. Ship bulky, heavy items directly to your destination ahead of time. This works perfectly for toiletries, shoes, winter gear, and gifts. Travel expert Samantha Brown recommends shipping 7 to 10 days before domestic trips and at least 14 days for international travel. For longer stays, ship seasonal clothing that would otherwise take up valuable suitcase space. Travel columnist Christopher Elliott points out airlines charge by the bag, while shipping services charge by the box, meaning you can split heavy items into multiple shipments without extra fees. A common mistake is waiting until the last minute. Plan ahead and send your package with enough buffer time to ensure it arrives before you do. Imagine gliding effortlessly through the airport with just your light carry-on, while your items wait at your destination. No baggage claim, no heavy lifting, just vacation bliss. The next secret is something flight attendants swear by for every trip, and keep watching. Number 2. The rule of 3. Have you ever unpacked your suitcase only to realize you brought way too many clothes you never wore? According to Expedia, the average traveler wears only 60% of the clothes they pack. That's like throwing away 40% of your precious luggage space. Follow the rule of 3 used by flight attendants worldwide. Pack just 3 of everything. 3 pants, 3 shirts, 3 pairs of socks, etc. Choose items in coordinating colors that mix and match easily. International flight attendant Heather Poole explains, "With just 3 tops and 3 bottoms in the same color family, you can create 9 different outfits." This strategy works because most travelers overestimate how many outfits they need. Former cruise director Sharon Emerson points out, "Nobody notices or cares if you wear the same jeans twice on vacation. They're too busy enjoying themselves." A common mistake is packing for hypothetical scenarios. Formal events that aren't scheduled or extreme weather that's unlikely. Stick to what you'll actually need based on your itinerary. You'll feel incredibly liberated moving through your trip with a light bag while watching others lug around massive suitcases full of unworn clothes. And finally, the game-changing tip I promised that will transform how you travel forever. Number 1. Carry-on only mindset. This simple mindset shift will revolutionize your travel experience. The carry-on only approach isn't just about saving on baggage fees. It's about freedom. You'll glide through airports while others struggle with oversized suitcases. You'll skip baggage claim completely, heading straight to your adventure while fellow travelers anxiously watch the carousel. Best of all, you'll never face the nightmare of lost luggage in a foreign country. According to Consumer Reports, travelers who pack light report significantly less stress and greater mobility throughout their trips. The secret isn't fancy packing techniques. It's about ruthlessly questioning every item. Do I absolutely need this, or just want it? The most common mistake: packing for just-in-case scenarios that rarely happen. Instead, remember that stores exist worldwide. Anything truly essential can be purchased at your destination. Pro tip: create a core wardrobe of mix-and-match items in neutral colors. 3 bottoms and 5 tops can create 15 different outfits. For toiletries, transfer everything to small containers. Hotels provide most basics anyway. With this mindset, you'll move effortlessly through your journey while others remain burdened by their overpacking habits. That's the ultimate travel freedom. That's it! 8 smart ways to skip checked bags and save your money for the best parts of your trip. Got a favorite packing hack I didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. Your tip might help other travelers avoid the hassle. If this video gave you even one helpful idea, give it a like and hit subscribe so you never miss our weekly travel hacks. And don't miss our next video. New TSA rules secretly tracking Americans without consent in 2025. It's eye-opening, and every traveler should see it. Until next time, travel smarter, save bigger.